Halloween came early to the European products markets last week, with several authoritative voices offering dark premonitions for the future of European refining. I'm Thomas Warner with this week's European Products Wrap. The IEA said in its latest oil market report that it is hard to overstate how bleak the outlook is for refiners in many regions, adding that in 2021 global refinery throughput is expected to rebound by 4.9 million barrels a day, only just above two-thirds of the 7.2 million barrels a day lost in 2020, and erasing all the growth that has occurred since 2015. OPEC suggested in its World Oil Outlook that oil demand from OECD countries is unlikely to ever recover to 2019 levels, and some of the world's largest trading houses agreed. Gunvor's chief executive Torbjorn Tornquist told the Energy Intelligence Forum that demand in Europe and the US has already passed its peak, with Vitol chief executive Russell Hardy adding that the West is struggling much more than the East. Both agreed that the loss in demand from the US and Europe will be more than compensated for by growth in Asia Pacific, and China in particular. Here in Europe, a recent rally in refining margins eased off, reflecting a darkening economic outlook. The reimposition of COVID-19 related restrictions around the continent, as well as lower demand from export regions, combined to bring gasoline margins to their lowest level since August at just under $5 a barrel. Naphtha margins fell back almost in lockstep with those of gasoline to around $2 a barrel as blending demand faded away. Portuguese refiner Galp has shut down the fuel distillation units at its 110,000 barrel a day Porto site for the second time this year after posting negative margins in the third quarter. A maintenance turnaround was scheduled to begin last week at Lukoil's 320,000 barrel a day Priolo refinery in Sicily, and turnarounds are also expected to begin at Shell's 420,000 barrel a day Pernis refinery and at BP's 265,000 barrel a day Gelsenkirchen site. This week we'll be looking to see whether those latest refinery turnarounds can breathe some new life into European product margins, or if it's simply a case of surviving until the springtime. Whatever happens, you can stay on top of all the latest news with the Argus European Products Report.